Couple of things to do.
Good evening, and this is the wearing Dua Lipa shirt in May.
This is hot. This is a hot mass right now. So if I put this inside of a blender, and if you're going to do that,
Geneva Spring Carnival on May 10th.
Stop very slow because the heat's going to make it expand.
I just made a modernized Hoover Dimension 1000 backpack.
So, and I don't need it
backpack vacuum.
100% pureed. I could just have a little more texture in here, and I'll be happy.
Pajamas.
How's that? How's that peanut soup?
Pajamas.
So now I want to serve this up.
Okay, and
took all the meat off the ham hocks, and then simply this yellow pea soup.
Phone.
See, nice texture, nice consistency. We're going to add that pea soup in there.
Turn this one.
And then to finish it up, I just take a little bit of carrot.
I'm going to take the Hoover quadraflex Powermatic and put this on here.
Make a little nest like that. And then I take the pieces of the
off,
ham hock and just add a little bit of that like that.
Put this on.
Oh yeah, man.
Modernized Backpack.
There you have it, a little Swedish.
It's very awkward.
Now let's pasoli. Back to the pasoli. There's a few steps that we got to do. The thing about Mexican cooking,
let's turn the brush off.
Depending on what region it is, they have a lot of flavors.
There's a headlight. It's so smooth.
Medium heat. Let them simmer for a couple of 3 minutes, just until they get
Hoover
soft that you can touch. Okay? Doesn't going to take long. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take those tomatillos and I'm going to strain them. All right?
I don't have the upright there. No, obsolete.
And then I'm going to sort of make this paste, which is going to be another ingredient to flavor this pasoli. Not only give it the color, but it's going to give it this vibrant flavor and this really, really unique look. How we do that is very simple. Cool these up a little bit. We're going to put these inside of the blender.
I'm going to
then
take this nozzle off.
We're going to take those toasted pumpkin seeds that we toasted. We're going to take them, put them inside there. We're going to take some onion.
This is so flimsy and so awkward.
And some jalapeno pepper in there. Now, There's only one problem.
There we go.
You look in there, there's no liquid. Hopefully this is gonna work. Start real small.
Okay.
Then I kick it into the
Turn the
high
brush
gear.
off. There's his headlight and the suction. Okay. And this is the Hoover Dimension with the Eureka Express nozzle. So here we go. Edge cleaning. More suction. If you'd like to subscribe and give it a tip, that's the Hoover Dimension 1000 with Hoover Power Nozzle and Eureka Power Nozzle. Thank you. Goodbye.
Welcome back, everybody.